Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to design a flare from your task D, design a creative flare. So this is the task from your exam, and I will show you how you can make this perfectly based on the description and based on the instruction they give you. Design requirement: incorporate the final logo prominently in the layout, use brand color, use clean, readable font, and maintain clear visual heritage. Now, Flare content suggestion, they give the content and you can use this content. This is the heading, and what is the font? The font is Anthony Hunter and Poppins. Subtext, you need to use this text. Call to action, this is the main call to action when user want to visit the website. Contact information, the phone number, and then the flare size. So we need to see this flare size. How you can do that? Just open the Illustrator, new, and then you can see the size here as a pixel. So 180, and then 180 again. uh, they didn't say it any bleed, so you don't need to use any bleed here, but if they said use bleed, then you need to use that. Otherwise you need to make it blank. So I'm going to make it blank, like a zero. So everything will be, there is no bleed now. Now create here, and it will be created. So this is a square size image. I'm going to create a square size based on this size. Download any model from unsplash.com or pixel.com, or and then remove the bg. If you read it carefully, the first line said download any model picture from unsplash.com or pixels.com. So it's recommended, not 100%, so you can use that. Let me try this done unsplash. So I'm going to find a model, man model. Okay, so this is the man model. I'm trying to find a stand-alone man model, uh, with sunglass. Yeah, I found it. Now I'm going to download this as a free, and then read again. They said and remove background from remove.bg. So copy this and paste it here and find the remove.bg. Yeah, I found it. So now upload the image you have just downloaded, and then remove the bg. Yeah, now the bg is removed, and I'm going to download this as a free version. So yeah, I have downloaded now. Now I'm going to place it here. Okay, this is the image I will use. Now final flare in this format, and there is a sample how you can make this. So let's just copy this screenshot. If you click on your keyboard and screenshot, or you can search here screen capture, screen screen capture, and you can see the snipping tool. Click here and it will open this, and you can click new and then capture this image here, from here to here. So it's captured. Now you can save these, or you can copy this. There is two way you can put it here. So I'm going to place here and make it exactly similar to this. Move this here. First of all, we need to put the logo in the top right side. So what I will do, I will make it lock. I'll make it lock only this layer, only this layer, not all layer. Now zoom in and add the logo here. So whatever logo you have done in the job, you can put it here, or you can use just the text logo here. Okay, I'm going to use the pop-in font. Remember, if you do not have the pop-in font, you can download it. I will show you how you can download that. Okay, logo here. I'm just making it a little larger, pressing the shift. The logo is done. Now this text, you can see this text is already here. You can copy the text from here. Discover style and up confirms. No. Now the first sentence is discover style. This is using a different font. Now the font is Anthony Hunter. I'm trying to search this Anthony Hunter, and you can see here, you can download from here. Download. Now in this here, download, and you can install this font. You can right click on this folder and extract all, and then you can see these all, select all and right click and install. I already have this font, that's why it shows like this, but I'm trying to install again. So it's install it. Now I'm trying to find Anthony Hunter, and it's here. Make it a little larger. Press shift, hold on is, and press here, click here, or you can use from here 90. Okay, this is done. And now up conformance, you can copy the text from here. Okay, now paste it here. Make it a little larger, and they say pop-in font. If you check on this again, they say pop-in. You can download the same, like here you can search pop-ins if you do not have this font. And here is the Google font. The Google font download is easy. You can see this get font. You can't see the download right now. After the search, you click the gate and download all, and it will be downloaded. Now it's done. And go to the folder, click on the folder, and it will open the folder. Right click here and extract all, and then the pop-in font will be extracted. Now the pop-in font is here. Okay, you can remove these or delete these and install all the font here. Pop-in, right click and install. I already have this font again. uh, the pop-in font is installed. Now search here pop-ins and make it a little bolder, like they use. Yes. Okay, they use it the blue color, that's why it shows the gray color, but because they print it. Okay, they use it uppercase, so you need to type on the uppercase, or you can use the uppercase from the character here. Click on the character and click this here, so it will be all uppercase. Now I'm pressing the shift and make it enlarge like this. Okay, there is the underline here, but it's a little different, so I will show you how you can do that, like this underline. Okay, done. Now explore premium fashion collection for modern lifestyle. Let me see if this text also available here. Explore premium fashion. Yeah, I have this text. Without pen tool or typing tool, you can just Control and V, and then you can get this font here. This is the easiest way you can enlarge the text. Now the text is done. Now this circle is easy. Basically this flare is very easy flare. You can reduce the percentage of this shape and put it here. Okay, now make it 100%. Okay, use this color 25%. So I'm using shift key to make it enlarge. Then another text here, percentage only, type the percentage, reduce the size, make sure it's using a regular or thin. Okay, it's using medium. Another text is off, O double F. Make it a little bolder. Okay, now done. Make it group, make it all as a group. Make it as a group. Now move it here. So the color of the font is white. Ungroup this and make the color as a white. Sorry, it's not ungroup. Okay, this is the white color. Now again I'm pressing the shift and clicking this and make it group, or you can just press like this and make it group. Now first part choose. I'm typing here, but if you don't want to type you can copy from the job sheet. Okay, we are done the text. Now we need the man. If this man is not showing, just click on the control and the third bracket upper side and it will move up, or you can drag and move it up like this. So we need this man, flip it in the left side or right side. So click on the transform each, and you can click the preview and see how I am moving this here, and make it a little larger, and I am going to crop this man. So how I can do that, make sure the text is visible. Okay, Okay, this size, I'm going to use this size, and I'm going to make a clipping mask. So I'm taking a shape here and click on this both and make clipping mask, and it is clip it. You don't need to cut it here. Okay. And the background shape. Okay, we have two shape here. You can either cut or make clip, so I'm going to make it clip without cut. I'm using this black color. Okay. And I'm pressing the Alt and copy again. I'm going to reduce the percent of this and move it back, because this will be move it back like this. Okay. So you see, I have two layers. Now I want to make it as a clip. Here I'm taking another shape like this and select all of these and make clipping mask, and you can see this like this. Again here we have two layer here, so click on the pen tool, select here and press like this. Okay, you can click here and click here. Done. We can copy the same but make it back. Control and back arrow, it's and reduce the opacity like 30% or like this. Okay, now we are done here. I'm using this tool. You need to press shift, make it a little large like this. Now here also, and then this, control and third bracket, and then all of this, move it here. We are done here. Now you need to move this man a little here. The text is now readable. Now they said, because this is black and white, because the printer print this as a black and white, but they said using colors. So what the color they want to use brand blue, brand color blue and its related tone. Not only the blue and its related tone. Let me see the blue color. If you double click here, you can see this layer is selected. Now I'm going to find the blue color, which is the best blue color. Or if you are confused about the blue color, you can click on the Google search here and type best blue color for flare. Yeah, this is the best blue colors. Or you can just search the blue color. You see, this is the blue color. Let me try which color is match. I'm copy this image and it's copy in the clipboard. I'm paste it here and the color is pasted here. Because this is a CMYK, that's why it's not showing the real color. What you will do, you will go to the file and then go to the document color mode and select the RGB color. I forget about when you create the file, you need to make sure this is RGB. Okay, because this is not a print ready file, we are not going to print. But if it says use CMYK color, you can use that. So there is two different color, one is printing color and one is the web color. So we are using the web color. I'm deleting here again and now paste it again. Now you can see the main color here. Okay, so double click here again and use this, and you can copy the color. For the logo also you can use the dropper here, and the underline also. I'm clicking each of this item. I'm clicking each of this item and using this eyedropper tool and click here, and it's making color. You see this is a group, so I'm double click here and double click again and using this, and then back. Okay. Here this color. Okay, you see this shape is showing this bit, it's not looking good. What you will do, using this tool, click on this here and make it behind the man. Again this one, click in here and make it behind the man. Okay, make sure it's behind the man. Okay, now this blue is done. Now its related color, if you read it carefully, the document said use blue and its related color. Where is that? Where is that? Here, blue and its related tones. Now zoom in and click here. You can expand here and click here, so it will be selected. Now you select the blue color and make this percentage like 30 or maybe 12, like this, and you can see this related color is coming here. You see, same for here. You can click or click here and you can select the dropper and select the blue and reduce the percent to 15 or something. So I'm going to use 10% for both. Click here and use 10% for both. Okay, now we are done. Now these unlock and delete this here and save it accordingly to the document. Delivers final file in AI, EPS and JPG. The file save as, download your name underscore your registration number, and then save the file as a flare. Okay, now this is the AI version I'm saving. Once done, save as again in EPS and then file, export, save for web and select here JPG. Save. Okay, all three parts are done. Now go to the folder where you have saved it. I have saved this here, this one, AI, EPS and JPG. Click everything here and right click and compress to zip file, and this is your delivery. If you have any question or if you do not understand any of the part of this video, you can ask me and I will show you again. Okay, thank you.